Dear passengers, please don't open the bus windows.
Turn right. Dear passengers, catering will be providing shortly. Please set up your tray tables. Enjoy your meal. Turn left.
Hey, are you crazy? Why are you not driving carefully? You make me suffer. Now please call ambulance.
Continue straight. Turn right. Continue straight. Continue straight. Turn right.
We hope you are enjoying this ride. Now go take a rest, and we'll meet in the next mission.